In this video, we are going to learn the chemical reaction. What can you say upon observing following daily life situations? Milk is left at the room temperature during summers. An iron tawa or a pan or a nail is left exposed to humid atmosphere. Grapes get fermented. Food is cooked. Food gets digested in our body and we respire. Well, all these observations, in all these situations, the nature and the identity of the initial substance have somewhat changed. We learned about physical and chemical changes of the matter in the 7th class. Whenever a chemical change occurs, we say that a chemical reaction has taken place. How do we come to know that a chemical reaction has taken place? Let's perform 3 activities to know the answer to this question. Activity 1. Clean a magnesium ribbon about 3 to 4 centimeter long by rubbing it with a sandpaper. Hold it with a pair of tongs. Burn it using a spirit lamp or burner and collect the ash so formed in a watch glass as shown in this figure. Burn the magnesium ribbon, keeping it away as far as possible from your eyes. So, what do you observe? Activity 2. Take lead nitrate solution in a test tube. Add potassium iodide solution to this. What do you observe? Activity 3. Take a few zinc granules in a conical flask or a test tube. Add dilute hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid to this. Do you observe something happening around the zinc granules? Touch the conical flask of the test tube. Is there any change in the temperature? Well, in activity 1, you would have observed that the magnesium ribbon burns with a dazzling white flame and finally changes into a white powder called magnesium oxide. It is formed due to the reaction between magnesium and oxygen present in the air. In activity 2, you would have observed that a yellow color precipitate has been formed. And needless to say, in activity 3, you would have observed the evolution of hydrogen gas and the heat. From the above 3 activities, we can say that any of the following observations helps us to determine whether a chemical reaction has taken place: change in state, change in color, evolution of a gas, and change in temperature. As we observe the changes around us, we can see that there is a large variety of chemical reactions taking place around us. Well, that's it in this video. Until then, keep learning and live healthily.